This 75-watt Onforu floodlight delivers a very strong daylight-style beam that comfortably replaces a bulky traditional security fixture while using far less electricity. The 3 adjustable lamp heads and wide detection area make it easy to aim light exactly where you need it, covering driveways, yards, and entrances without dark corners. Its motion sensor is sensitive and configurable, picking up movement from a long distance and allowing you to fine-tune how long the light stays on after activity is detected. The housing is built from solid aluminum with a finned back that sheds heat efficiently, which helps the light run cooler and last longer than many plastic-bodied alternatives. With a weather-sealed design rated to handle heavy rain and blowing dust, it holds up well on exterior walls, garages, and outbuildings in year-round conditions. Installation is straightforward for a typical homeowner, and once mounted, the fixture feels secure and low maintenance, making it a practical upgrade for outdoor security lighting.